On January 1st, 2022, I set a goal to reach 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. At that time, I had around 30,000 subscribers and I was on track to reach 50,000 right around January or February of the next year of 2023. So as I set that goal, I knew I was gonna have to work really hard and create the best quality content that I could in order to hopefully achieve that goal by December 31st, 2022. So I went along with that goal and really put as much time as I could into creating the highest quality content that I could. And fast forward until about a month ago, everything completely changed. So if you're watching this, you've probably seen the Arri Alexa series that I did, and that completely changed my channel. And I ended up reaching 50,000 subscribers about 6 months before the end of the year. And now we're sitting here in the beginning of August with about 52,000 subscribers. Now I had big plans and I wanted to do something massive for when I hit 50,000 subscribers. And I was pretty much in the phase of beginning to plan what I was gonna do when I reached my goal. But as soon as I released the Alexa videos, everything just happened so fast from there. I have not even had a chance to even think about what I would do and what my plan is for reaching 50,000 subscribers, for what I wanted to do to give back to you guys. I haven't even had a chance to sit down and figure out what my plan is because I was still expecting it to happen in 6 more months from now. So I guess if there's one thing to learn from this is that you can really only plan for so much because really anything could happen at any day. So that's something I learned from this. There's really only so much you can plan for. So in this video, you saw it from the title, I will be doing a giveaway. I plan on doing a bigger giveaway and I promise you I will do much bigger giveaways in the future. However, this is what I can do right now. Everything happens so fast. I at least want to do something to give back to all of you that have subscribed to my channel and supported me because I'm so grateful for all of you that have supported me in any way that you have. So I'm gonna be giving away 8 of these Arri stickers. Arri actually sent these to me, so they're directly from them. These are all vinyl stickers that you can put on your laptop or car or pretty much wherever you want to put them on. They're really good quality and I have 8 of these to give away. So in order to win one of these Arri stickers, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel here, follow me on Instagram, which I'll have linked down in the description, and then comment down below your Instagram username. And in 1 week from when this video is posted, I'll put all the comments into a random comment picker. It'll choose 8 names and I'll DM all 8 of you on Instagram and get these shipped out to you. Like I said, I really wish I could do more, and I promise you, as soon as I get the logistics figured out and all that sort of stuff, in the future, I'll be doing much more bigger giveaways than this. But this is what I can do right now, just to give back to you guys as much as I can and, show my appreciation for supporting me through my YouTube journey. And also, real quick, I want to give you just a little update on, pretty much everything with my channel. I actually appeared on a podcast, the Golden Hour podcast, hosted by Dave Mays, which I'll link down in the description as well. It's about an hour-long podcast, so if that interests you, I'm gonna link that down in the description. It was super fun, so I'd really recommend checking that out if you want to. And then in terms of future videos and stuff like that, I have big videos planned that I'm working on right now that involve the Arri camera as well as a Red camera and a bunch more big videos that are currently in the works. However, they take a lot of time and I still want to try to get 1 video per week out to you. So if you're only here to watch Arri Alexa videos or more videos that are kind of like the Arri Alexa series where they're longer, really in-depth videos about a specific thing like that, definitely stay tuned, but they will be a little ways out while I work on the big projects like that. So just be patient with me and stay tuned for all those. But I still plan on putting out weekly videos building up to those bigger projects that I'll be doing every once in a while, like this Alexa series. And so that's pretty much that. 1 week from when I post this video, I will be choosing the winners for the giveaway and DMing you on Instagram. It'll be 8 different people, all winning 1 Arri sticker. So definitely go join that giveaway if you're interested in that. And stay tuned for much bigger giveaways in the future. I wanted to do something massive for 50,000 subscribers. I'm just really gonna have to figure something out. It happened way faster than I expected, so it caught me really off guard. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Go down to the like button, subscribe, enter the giveaway, check out the podcast, and I will see you in the next video.